Okay, so for today's deep dive, we're doing something a little unusual.
A little unusual is one way to put it, yeah.
We're looking at a product that is literally discontinued. The Kramer KRT-4-U32-FF.
Which is a USB-C cable retractor?
Exactly, a cable retractor.
Yeah.
I mean, why are we focusing on something you can't even buy anymore?
Well, that's what's so fascinating here, isn't it? Because the capabilities packed into this one, seemingly simple unit. It gives us this perfect snapshot. It's like a little time capsule of what high-end professional AV and meeting room tech demanded just a little while ago.
Ah, I see. So the mission is using this thing to understand a baseline that we're already moving past.
Precisely. We're analyzing it to see the standards it represented.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah.
But every conference room has cables. What made this specific one a go-to?
It solves that classic conference room problem, the snake pit of cables under the table that you're always kicking.
Oh, I know that one well.
The-
Or the one cable you need is always missing or tangled.
Right. So this unit's whole function was providing convenient, always-there connectivity. You'd mount it on a table or inside one of those Kramer TBUS units.
And the cable just pulls out.
Yep. It extends up to almost 6 feet, which is plenty of reach. It locks in place automatically.
And when you're done.
You just give it another little pull, and it retracts right back into its housing, super clean.
And I read that the design was actually a big deal. It wasn't just some harsh, spring-loaded thing.
No, and that's a critical detail.
Yeah.
The sources all highlight this improved design with a gentle retraction mechanism.
Why does that matter so much?
Because it extends the life of the cable and, more importantly, the connector itself. I mean, think about a university classroom or a busy boardroom. That thing is getting used constantly.
Right, you can't have it failing. Durability is everything.
Exactly. It's about minimizing those painful and costly maintenance calls.
Okay, so they absolutely solved the physical problem of tangles and wear and tear, but that's just half the battle, isn't it? Was the cable inside actually good enough for a modern workflow?
And that's where we get to the really impressive part. This is where you see just how versatile the USB-C standard is. This thing was a technical triple threat.
A triple threat. Okay, let's break that down. What's number one?
First up, video. It could handle a maximum resolution of UHD 4K at 60 frames per second.
4K 60. That is still a fantastic, smooth standard for any presentation today.
Absolutely. Then number two was data.
How fast are we talking?
We're talking a data transfer rate of up to 10 gigabits per second.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a USB 3.2 Gen 2 standard. It was even TAA compliant, which means it met federal standards for government use. This was serious, reliable hardware.
Okay, so amazing video, super fast data, and what's the third piece? The one that's an absolute must-have now.
Power. Power delivery. No one wants to carry around those big power bricks anymore.
So what could it do?
This single retractable cable could supply up to 60 watts of power, specifically 20 volts at 3 amps.
60 watts is enough to charge most high-performance laptops.
That's the point. You connect these 3 specs back to the use case. You walk in, you pull out one single cable, and it's charging your machine, running a high-res display, and transferring huge files all at the same time.
It's the entire workstation infrastructure just condensed into one fixed point on a table.
Exactly. It was a baseline that refused to compromise on anything.
So to recap this,
Yeah.
we're looking at a discontinued item that was a total powerhouse. 4K 60 video,
60 watts of power.
and 10 gigabits per second data transfer, all wrapped up in a durable retracting box.
A silent workhorse for sure. And if we connect that to the bigger picture, the very fact that a component this high spec, this full featured, is being pulled from the market.
It tells you something.
It really does. It just suggests how fast the bar for professional connectivity is rising. It raises an important question for you to think about.
Which is?
Well, if 60 watts of power, 4K 60 video, and 10 gig data is the standard we are actively leaving behind, what incredible new levels of performance will table-mounted connectivity require next to avoid becoming obsolete?
What's the next baseline?
Exactly. Are we looking at 100 watts, 8K video by default? That's something for you to mull over.